Imagine the satisfaction of diving into a crystal-clear pool on a hot summer day. As a pool cleaning business owner, you play a vital role in creating that experience for your customers. But in a competitive industry, how can you ensure that your pool cleaning business stands out from the crowd and makes a splash in 2023? That's where Dragon Digitals comes in. We specialize in digital marketing solutions designed to help your pool cleaning business thrive in the digital age. Get ready to take your business to new depths of success. Welcome to Dragon Digitals. We understand the unique challenges faced by pool cleaning businesses and are here to provide tailored solutions that drive real results. Our expertise in digital marketing can help you attract more customers, increase your online visibility, and grow your pool cleaning business like never before. Did you know that the demand for pool cleaning services is steadily increasing? In fact, the pool cleaning industry is expected to grow by 45% in 2023. However, with this growth comes increased competition. To stay ahead and make a splash in the market, it's crucial to have a strategic digital marketing approach. Let's dive into how Dragon Digitals can help your pool cleaning business thrive in 2023. 1. Search Engine Optimization, SEO. Our team of SEO experts will optimize your website, ensuring that it ranks high in search engine results when potential customers search for pool cleaning services in your area. By targeting relevant keywords, optimizing your content, and improving your website's technical aspects, we'll help you attract organic traffic and increase your online visibility. Statistics show that businesses appearing on the first page of search results receive 200% more clicks and inquiries. 2. Local SEO. As a local pool cleaning business, it's crucial to dominate local search results. Our local SEO strategies will ensure your business is prominently displayed when potential customers search for pool cleaning services in your specific location. By optimizing your Google My Business listing, securing positive customer reviews, and leveraging local directories, you'll capture the attention of local leads and increase your chances of conversions. 3. Online reputation management. Maintaining a positive online reputation is paramount in the pool cleaning industry. Our reputation management strategies will help you monitor and manage customer reviews and feedback across various platforms. By promptly addressing customer concerns, showcasing your excellent service, and encouraging satisfied customers to leave reviews, you'll build trust and credibility. Studies show that 75% of consumers read online reviews before making a purchasing decision. 4. Engaging content marketing. Engaging and informative content can position your pool cleaning business as an industry leader. We'll help you create valuable content such as blog posts, articles, videos, and social media posts that address common pool cleaning challenges, provide maintenance tips, and highlight your expertise. By sharing relevant content, you'll attract and engage your target audience, establishing your authority in the industry and driving customer loyalty. 5. Targeted advertising. With our targeted advertising strategies, we'll ensure your pool cleaning business reaches the right audience at the right time. Through platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Instagram Ads, we'll precisely target users who are actively searching for pool cleaning services or have shown an interest in related topics. By delivering compelling ad campaigns, we'll increase your brand visibility, drive website traffic, and generate high-quality leads. Choosing Dragon Digitals means partnering with a team that understands the unique challenges and opportunities in the pool cleaning industry. We'll work closely with you to develop a tailored digital marketing strategy that aligns with your business goals and maximizes your growth potential. Don't let your pool cleaning business get lost in the depths of the digital world. Contact Dragon Digitals today and let our digital marketing solutions propel your business to new heights. With our expertise, industry insights, and dedication to your success, you'll have the tools to make a splash in 2023. Dive into success with Dragon Digitals. Together, let's take your pool cleaning business from ordinary to extraordinary.